Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by quickly diagnosing the line. Is it a single dead pixel, a vertical stripe, or a shadow from physical damage? Back up your iPhone now so you won't lose data if you proceed with resets or service. Use iCloud or connect to Finder/iTunes. Once done, force restart the phone to see if the line persists through boot. This shows whether it's software-related or a hardware fault, and it directs the next steps without wasting time on unnecessary troubleshooting. Now you focus on software fixes and tests to separate hardware from software causes. Update iOS to the latest version. Many display glitches resolve with system patches. If that doesn't help, reset display settings or perform a full restore using Finder or iTunes after confirming your backup. Make sure to run screen tests by displaying pure white, black, and color patterns, or use a trusted screen test app so you can observe whether lines change, move, or disappear. This helps pinpoint stuff. If software steps fail, you move to hardware solutions. Do not open the iPhone yourself unless you're trained. Check with an authorized service provider because they can inspect the display connector and replace the screen assembly safely. If the device is under warranty or Apple Care, request service. This often solves vertical lines caused by failed digitizer or display. One troubleshooting tip: avoid prolonged heat or hard pressure. Brief, gentle pressure or controlled warmth can sometimes shift a stuck pixel, but improper attempts can worsen damage, so be cautious.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.